In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Bluestacks in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Bluestacks. We will be getting the official link. Click it. And here we will be having the download Bluestacks option. If you want to see the other versions, you can click this and see. I am fine with the latest version. So I will just click this. And the download will be getting started. Just the installer, open it. So we will be getting the Bluestacks setup like this. The important thing is you can change the default installation location. By default, it's going to get installed in C program files. In case if you have very less space in local disk C, you can change the location to local disk D or E. So just click that and select change folder, and you can just go to your local disk D, and here you can create a empty folder named Bluestacks and click on OK. The path will be changed over here. Once you have done that, just click on install now. It's fine, just click on skip. So this will take some time to download and install. Just be patient. So once the installation is complete, you'll be getting Bluestacks app player automatically opened, and in the desktop also you'll be having a shortcut. So what you can do is you can simply click on this button and clear all or close this, and you'll be taken to the home. Here we will be having system apps. Click it and we will be having here Play Store, exactly the same Play Store app that we have in our mobile devices. So here, first thing, you need to sign in with your Google account. So after you sign in with your Google account, you will be able to download all the apps that you had in your mobile phone. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.